Hello, welcome back to Storytime with Roxy. I have a really cute book for you. I don't know if you remember, I'm sure you can find it. We did a video previously that was called Don't Push the Button. So they created a whole little series of different scenarios when you should not push the button. So because it's the Halloween season, I have the Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. So this book is really fun. I hope you enjoy it. And we will have probably another couple books coming. I think we're going to do 2 that are Halloween themed, and then we'll go back to our regular books thereafter. All right, so Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Yep. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Getting closer, huh? Please, 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 don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say, trick or treat. I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door slowly. Some eyes peeking out. Eek! Monsters shout boo to scare them away. Again, louder. That's better. Looks like there's a note for Larry. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? So, snip, snip. The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. So clap twice. Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick or treat at this house. To all his little monster friends, huh? So that's the end of Don't Push the Button. I will link the information to get this book for your own library, but I really like this series. It's a very cute series and it's very interactive and fun, and my littles seem to enjoy it, so I hope you did too.